Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. For today's video, there's actually something insane. It's actually really cold outside. It's like 7 a.m. in the morning. But actually, I'm gonna go ahead to my friend's house. Some of you may know him. And then we'll tell you all about the video idea. And we're here. Okay. Yes, dude. Yes. Okay, guys, so now that we're here, my friend Damian is gonna tell you a backstory of this pipe we're gonna explore.
Okay, so yesterday me and my friend we went around walking, right?
Yeah.
So we found this mysterious pipe. We're going to explore it.
So yeah, that's exactly what we're doing today. We're actually really trippy about it. It's like really trippy.
It's so dark in there.
Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead. Do we have flashlights?
I have a camera flash.
Okay, we're gonna go ahead and explore that. Bro, it looks like you wanna rob a bank. Okay, guys, so we have backup. We have this flashlight. It's like really freaking wow, holy shit. Okay, then we have a vlog camera, a gas mask, some spray paint, and then obviously the knife. We're not taking that. We're not taking that. Yo, we're not taking that. Okay, and then we're gonna pack it up and go ahead and explore. Yeah. Okay, guys, so we're on our way to the mysterious pipe. It's actually not that far. It's actually just around the corner. And then we're gonna explore. I actually can't wait. But at the same time, I'm so tripped out. So let's go. Okay, guys, so bad news. The pipe is actually, like, the entrance is filled with water. But we're not stopping that. We're going all out for the vlog. We're gonna try to unblock that. And then maybe the water will fill out. And then we'll see how it goes. We have Bravery right here. He's actually attempting to go into the water in the cold, early in the morning. So let's see how he does that.
Into the drain.
Yeah, he's gonna try. We're gonna try to empty the drain so the water can just go ahead and flow. It's actually so mysterious, though. Okay, good job. Don't fall in though.
I don't see an easy way to get in. Look. Young, go give me the light.
Okay. We're gonna so let's just go ahead. Yeah. Holy shit. Okay, rope. We have the light, we're just gonna take this. You in? Damn! Okay, I'm gonna give you the stick, right? Okay, it's getting out because it's probably, I don't know. Wait, why does it not work? Yeah. I'm filming it.
He's attempting to go in. Okay, I need a tool. Pause me. Okay, he's inside. Can't see him anymore. Okay. What's inside?
Okay, guys, so we can't block out the water. It's too difficult. But we're just gonna try and get in, avoid the water, and see how far we can go. Okay, guys, so we're in the pipe. This is the entrance. And we're gonna go ahead as far as we can and see how far we can go. Torch, flashlight. Okay, and you're right behind me. Let's go. Okay, sir. Okay, guys. So we're like miles in, and we start hearing sounds. Like there's sounds coming from inside the pipe. We don't know what it is, but it's like really. You hear that?
Yeah.
Bro, let's go. Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, so it looks like we have an entrance up ahead. I don't know. So let's go ahead that side. Okay, the water is like really steep now, as you can see here, but we're actually at the entrance now. I don't know where this leads to, but whoa. Okay, guys, so we're finally out. Holy shit. Holy yeah. Okay, so we have an entrance. an exit. We have an exit. So looks like the pipe actually just leads into another drain. So we're gonna go ahead and see what's that side. Okay. So he said he what?
I saw some smoke that side.
Yeah, he saw some smoke or something. So we're just gonna stop. Just avoid the trees. Cork. Okay. Stay down. Come up. Stay down. Okay. Stand up again. I've got you.
Go.
Okay. Maybe like
I got one of my cows.
I can actually crawl in there. Okay. Okay, so yeah, we've actually walked like almost in half an hour. Right?
Yeah.
And wait, do you hear that? Is that a river?
I think it is.
I think I hear a river, guys. Let's just go ahead and see if we can find a river, because it sounds like there's a river there. Okay guys, so just to mark that we were here, we're gonna go ahead, take our spray paint.
Give me the camera.
Alright. Okay. And we're gonna go ahead and put the Dragon Nation logo here. And then underneath we're gonna put Cosmo dot Damian. Here we go. So now we have the Dragon Nation. Go on. So now we have the Dragon Nation logo, so that we will always remember this moment. Okay. So we just found a golf ball. But anyway, the river sound is just getting louder and louder as we walk, and I really think we're about to... Ow, that actually is. And I really think we're about
Almost there.
to end up at the river.
Okay.
Okay guys, I actually want to try a wall run. So Damon will actually hold this for me.
Uh,
The cameras.
Yes.
I actually don't want to let the camera fall.
This is my shit.
Okay. Try it. Okay, hold on. Imagine if I could just flip.
Hey bro.
Hmm?
Can you flip this?
The wall.
Yes.
Bro, that's sketchy. Let me try.
I know you can do it. Oh.
Holy shit, that's like... This is so sketchy though. This is low-key sketchy.
But I know you can do it.
Okay. Holy hell, bro. Dude. My heart is like pounding right now.
Hey.
Okay. It's so sketchy though. It's low-key sketchy. Okay, so what's this?
This is called bloodwood.
Alright.
I can tell you now. If you take a chainsaw and you cut it right here, the chances are you're gonna get a lot of sap. The reason why they call it bloodwood is because it looks like blood. The wood is coated with this red stuff. I still don't know what it is, but it's something.
Oh, it's a far way down. If I fall, yeah, I'm like gonna die. Okay. Okay, so that's the end. We actually found the river, and finally we know where the pipe leads to. And this is actually so amazing because I've wondered like my whole life. I was like, what's inside that pipe? But anyway, that's gonna wrap up for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on the fun. Let's go.